In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an NYC parking permit whether you're applying for a residential, disability, or teacher permit. Let's get started by navigating to the essential website you need, https:/parkingpermits.nyc.gov/. Once you arrive at the page, you'll notice it's clearly organized with three drop-down menus. These menus are designated for individuals, government agencies, and external organizations. It's important to choose the drop-down that aligns with your specific needs. Let's take a moment to walk through each option to ensure you select the correct one. If you're an individual applying on your own behalf, you'll want to focus on the guide specifically tailored to individual applicants. For those from government agencies or other recognized organizations, make sure to explore the corresponding sections that apply to your situation. Once you've identified the appropriate dropdown, click to expand it, and then select the option that suits your category. Next, you'll find a Learn More link. This step is crucial, so don't rush through it. By clicking Learn More, you'll be directed to additional resources and information specific to your permit type. One of the most important things to do here is to download the application form. This document is your key to acquiring the permit you need. I recommend thoroughly reviewing the downloaded application to ensure you understand all the information you need to fill out. It may seem straightforward, but taking your time to complete it accurately will help prevent any delays in the process. Once the form is downloaded, open it up and begin to fill in all the required fields. Make sure you have all necessary documents and information on hand. This may include your personal identification, vehicle registration, and proof of address for residential permits, or documentation of your requirement for a disability or teacher permit. Carefully checking that everything is correct and complete can save you from having to resubmit later. After meticulously completing the application, it's time to submit it. Follow the detailed instructions on how to submit your application, whether online or by mailing it to the relevant department. Be sure to know any submission deadlines or specific addresses where your application must be sent. While waiting for a response, you can check back with the department's website or contact their support for any updates on your application status. This patience is rewarded, as once you receive your permit, you'll enjoy the designated parking benefits it grants, making life in the city a little bit easier. And that's it. You've now learned the essential steps to apply for an NYC parking permit. By following these instructions and ensuring every detail is correctly addressed, you'll position yourself for a smooth application process. Remember, preparation and attention to detail make all the difference. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your application. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and have a great day.